What is going on, guys? Today's video we have a new product here from Anker. This is the Anker 622 MagGo. Retails for about $60. Pretty pricey, but I highly think it's worth it. We're gonna get into it right now. All right, let's go and open this. So this is just a wireless charger with MagSafe capabilities, which is nice. You have a happy card here. So right here you have a use manual, so just basic information. Wow, that's actually not basic, never mind. There's a lot of stuff in here. You can charge the wireless charger and your phone at the same time with the wall right here. Right here it says works flawlessly with MagSafe compatible cases, which I will be showing you in this video. This case right here, not Apple branded. It doesn't have to be Apple branded. As long as it has the magnet ring, the MagSafe, you'll be good. It takes about 2.5 to 3 hours to fully charge it. It has a 7.5 watt output. And then right here you have the MagSafe. It will come in a plastic, but I got very excited on this and I just went ahead and went straight for it. Now you're paying for this right here. Look how thin it is. Look how fast it charges. The build quality is super amazing. Put it in a little really cool feature here, and it's very flawless. And then you have the ring on the back. But the quality on this is just so nice. Right here you also have a little Type-C port. You have a button right there so you can check the indicator. Right here we do have a charging cable, so Type-C to Type-C, so you can fast charge this if you wanted to. They do have multiple colors, so you can match your Pacific Blue iPhone, or we have like a lilac or a lavender type of color. They also do have these wireless chargers that are stationary. I don't have that because it's like 120 bucks and I don't feel like spending that much on a wireless charger right now. But it's basically AirPod and MagSafe right here. And you can also take it off. It'll have the MagSafe battery just like this. You can slide it into place and then you can just leave it there. You can charge your phone with it as well. Use it as a normal wireless charger, and then when you need to go, you can just bring it up and use it as a normal pad. I personally think it's really cool, but if it had a Apple Watch little station there as well, then I would 100% buy it without a doubt, even the price. It doesn't have that, so I didn't go for that and I just stuck with this. Just slap it on there and you're charging. All right, so there we go. And like, look how thin it is. It's very thin compared to the iPhone, which is a very thin phone to begin with. It's basically the same size as the iPhone. Very thin, so you're not even adding a whole lot of bulk. I'll go ahead and show you for comparison different types of power banks. All right, so this is a 30,000 milliamp, so obviously it's a lot bigger, but you don't want to carry this big old thing just to charge your phone, right? Even if it had a wireless charger on the back or something, that's huge. Like, look how huge it is. It's not convenient, and usually most chargers don't have the MagSafe with wireless charging. I see in some on Amazon, they're very cheap, but they're bulky. Having something like this, I would definitely pay a lot just to have it thin. It's very convenient. You can slide it in your pocket, your back pocket, it won't bulge. You can fit both of these in your pocket at the same time. It will not look that thick at all. And then you can have something like this, which is a 10,000 milliamp, which is basically two stacked 5,000 milliamp. And you can see the size difference just on that. So it's about half the size of this, and it has MagSafe and fast charging and wireless charging. So if you have 60 bucks to spend, or you can have it in portrait mode and you can use your phone like that. You can technically make TikToks or just record off of this like this. You can record off it like this as well. That's what I'm going to be using this mainly for, is because recording. When I'm doing a time lapse, when I'm doing any type of vlog or video, I could just easily slap this. You may need to counterbalance it, but for the most part, it will work. So my gimbal, just like this, and I can go ahead and record. Now I know the gimbal on the Osmo Mobile 4 has a power bank built into it. You can charge your phone right there. Because it's draining the gimbal, another cable you have to carry, deletes cables completely, which I love. I love wireless compatibilities with stuff like this. I do wish I got the blue colorway, because the gray / black is just a little bland. So this is a 13. Oh wait, this is a 13, so it'll fit a 13 for sure. Let me check the minis. All right, so this is iPhone 12 mini. It should fit. Looks like it just barely fits. So it's that small, so you can actually fit on a iPhone 12 mini, which is really cool. Not too sure if the magnet will be lower, and if it is lower, I mean, it'll stick out a bit, but for the iPhone 12, 13 mini users, probably in the future with the iPhone SE, or any other future iPhones with MagSafe, since I'm pretty sure they will all have MagSafe from now on. This is the first generation of this. So if you want to support this and make it go somewhere, which it will. All right, so it's been about a month since I had the MagSafe go. It's been out since a month. Now, like I've showed you in the B-roll, it does fit really, really well. It doesn't feel like it's adding a whole lot of weight or bulk at all. And I'm wearing relatively slim jeans, I guess you could say. They're not too loose or whatever. Number two, you do not have to have the MagSafe case. In the beginning of the video, I mentioned you can use a case. That's just for better results, and that way you can have the stronger magnet, because cases do have stronger magnet, and plus they do add protection and they look a little stylish. You can have it with no case, right? So we have no case on, works the same way, but it doesn't have a lot of suction, as you can see. If you're going to be using it with no case, just keep in mind that it's relatively easy to drop. But if you have a case on, because the magnets are better quality and they're stronger, it will barely, as you can see, it took a while, but with a lot of force, you'll be able to knock it down. So you can be the judge for that. That was genuine. It's a lot stronger magnets and I prefer it. So if you want a better, easier time, just get a case. It doesn't have to be Apple branded. Just get a case with MagSafe. If you guys want to see more videos just like this, make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Also, I'm really, really happy about this taper, neck taper. I don't know if you can see it. I'm really happy about that because it just looks really, really good. That's my first good taper. Pretty good, and I'm happy about the bag.